we urgently need to address the issues of global warming and pollution. Pressure on the world's finite natural resources continues to increase. The future for all of us will be governed by the development of clean technologies for sustainable environmental management. For almost half a century, Abu Dhabi has been a world leader in energy production. Now, the nation is keen to play its full part in the development and implementation of alternative sources of energy. The Masdar initiative is the catalyst for fusing research and innovation from the best people in the world, from both academia and international corporations. Masdar's research, production and university facilities will be located in a new walled city covering 640 hectares. The site is strategically located adjacent to Abu Dhabi International Airport, linking the communities of Raha Beach, Khalifa City and Yas Island. The Masdar project will enable technological breakthroughs through a microchip-like network of connections, bringing together the talent, expertise and resources to develop a sustainable future. Special economic zones will attract partners from all over the world, from tiny startups to major corporations. From the construction phase onwards, the first Masdar project will create sustainable local employment, eventually facilitating a population of 47,500. The first stage of the development sets the tone for the whole project. The construction of a state-of-the-art photovoltaic power plant will deliver the energy required to build the rest of the new city. Masdar will be a compact, high-density city, completely free from cars and their emissions, a model of energy conservation with zero carbon emissions and zero waste. Compared to average urban levels, fossil fuel consumption will be zero on site. All waste production will be recycled, and consumption of desalinated water will be reduced by 80%. Cycling and walking will be the most popular means of travel. The master plan means no one will be further than 200 meters from essential facilities, including shops selling locally grown produce. A fully automated electric personal rapid transit system will provide a flexible and comfortable alternative to private cars. A light railway transport system will link the Masdar development with the center of Abu Dhabi, adjacent developments and the international airport. Masdar City is designed in direct response to the local climate and cultural traditions, particularly its solar movements and prevailing winds. The city's orientation captures cooling sea breezes from the north, whilst its perimeter protects against the warmer desert winds. The eastern wall facing the international airport is raised to provide a baffle, reducing aircraft noise within the city. Shaded by photovoltaic collecting canopies, courtyards and wind towers will draw cooling breezes into the narrow streets and filter the harsh sunlight. Construction materials with a high thermal mass will considerably reduce energy requirements. The relationship of one building to the next provides shading and generates year-round usable spaces in between. Solar collectors to roofs throughout the development will power the city, making it sustainable with zero CO2 emissions. The perimeter wall forms an intelligent outer shell, housing the energy, environmental and recycling services. Water management will be central to the environmental system of the Masdar development. Wastewater will be purified and recycled back to the city. In the process, it will be used to grow tree plantations, contributing to the biofuel strategy. As the city's population grows and water volumes increase, so too will the number of trees, a visual statement on the growth of the city. The Masdar initiative demonstrates Abu Dhabi's commitment to the challenges of climate change and energy conservation, and provides a model for international cooperation and legislation. The unique design of its walled city will show both energy and water conservation can be achieved whilst also greatly enhancing the quality of life. One day, all cities will be built like this.